Guys, thanks for joining. So today I'd like to introduce you to my new essential oil business that I'm going to be getting into. I've been taking some training online, have a couple certificates in aromatherapy now, and I'm going to start making essential oil blends and home and skin and bath products for everybody to be able to purchase. So I had a couple of shipments come in the past week. I just want to kind of introduce you to everything I've got so far because I'm pretty excited. So in this box here, I have a whole bunch of essential oil bottles, and these are the blue bottles, like this one right here. Very good because it helps protect the quality of your essential oil blends. Colored bottles are the best ones to keep them in as opposed to clear bottles. And down here we have the caps, the roller balls actually that go onto these bottles. So I can make essential oil roller ball blends of a bunch of different oils blended together with a carrier oil for different health concerns. So if anybody's interested, I'll be selling these online on my Facebook group on Dragonfly Wings and on my webpage as well, jenmcnaughton.uk. So back to the box. So we got 48 big bottles. We have the pipettes, which makes it easier to drop your oils into the bottles to blend them with your carrier oil. Easier for getting the roller balls on and off of your bottles. Easier. Helps save your fingernails a lot, especially with my weak little fingernails from my chemotherapy. And then just the water, or the bottle lids, sorry. Hard to see with the light in the bag there. And this kit also came with some little labels, but I got some better labels off the internet, so we'll use those instead. So recently I found a supplier online, a wholesaler of essential oils and of skincare and bath products, so I can make my own products with the essential oils. And they're located right in London, Ontario, so that was very convenient. And they got picked up today, so I'm going to unbox this for you, or unbag it I should say, and show you what was inside. So here's just the first few of the products that I got in my shipment today. Just going to zoom around and show you. So the first one is Glycerin, and we use that in a bunch of different hand soaps and different body and hair care products that you use with the essential oils. Liquid Castile soap, again, for any type of hand soap, shampoo, bubble bath, anything like that, it becomes very important. This guy here, the little one, is a paralyzer and foam booster. So if you're making bubble baths with essential oils and it's not bubbling for you, you need to add some of this because it'll really help it out. And then of course, last but not least, I just got some Epsom salts because I love making cleansing baths, and you can also make body scrubs and use Epsom salts in it as well. Okay, so here we have a couple other items I've got in my shipment. Vitamin E cream, or oil, sorry. Very natural vitamin E, goes in a lot of really good skincare products, helps soothe the skin. And then a blending binder for when you're using fragrance oils and you want it to blend and not float on top of whatever you're using as well, like water or anything like that. And then over here is a whole bunch of brand new essential oils that I got in my shipment today, ones that I've never had before that I'm planning on using in different blends for different purposes. And as you can see, they came from the Candora Soap Company right there in London, Ontario, so I'd like to give a shout out to them. Thank you very much for having such great items at such really reasonable prices, and I hope you look forward to seeing some of my essential oil products I will be making for you in the future. Feel free to subscribe and give this video a like, and when you subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see when I come up with new ideas. I'll be posting videos as I'm making different blends. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.